Hi, today we are going to look into a very cool Python library. In this Python library we are taking three images. One would be the source image, for example the left one, the houses, and we will take a target images, for example these colorful hats, and we will generate a result image based on these two images. As you can see, we are transferring the colors and these theme colors from one image to another. Let's see another example. This Pisa Tower, this is the source image. This would be our target image, this sunset, and this would be the results. As you can see, this is the Pisa Tower in the sunset. So let's dive into the process of the installation and running this Python library. And of course, you are most welcome to subscribe my channels and to watch more of my cool playlists. So let's start with creating a Conda environment. Let's call this environment color transfer, and it will be based on Python 3.8. Okay, let's run it and wait a few more seconds until the environment is created. And now we have to activate this new Conda environment. As you can see, Conda activate color transfer, and now we are inside this environment. Now we need to install only two Python libraries. The one would be NumPy, and the next one would be OpenCV. It's a very fast installation. And let's install the OpenCV. Okay, so we are done. Now we need to install the repo. Basically it's a git clone command. So this is the repo. Of course I will leave an instruction file in my GitHub. So this color transfer images is the repo that we are going to use. So first of all, let's copy the full path for this repo. And now we should run git clone and the full path for the repo. And this download all the relevant information and creating a new folder named color transfer between images. As you can see, this Python file color_transfer is the relevant one. Let's open this file. I have a mistake in the name. Let's fix it. Notepad color transfer. Okay, let's fix it and edit again. We are not going to cover all the code, but the most important is these sources and targets. As you can see, this Python code can run 6 images at once. So if you go to the folder, you can see we have a source images that there are 6 demo images. Let's enlarge it. Okay, these 6 images, and we have 6 targets. So the targets would be the theme for the colors for the transfer process. Once again, this is on the right side is the source. It's called S1, and in the left side is the target, which is named T1. So basically each S1 has its a relevant T1, and the T1 colors would be transferred to the S1. So let's run it. As I said earlier, the process is for 6 images at once. So just replace your own images and you can see the results, but it runs on 6 images. And let's see the outcome after the process will be ended. Okay, let's see once again the folders. You can see there is a result folder, a new one, And let's choose one of the images. For example, this Pisa tower. As you can see, it's a yellow one, but let's see the original. So this is the original color, and this is the result color. And let's see the target from which the color were transferred. As you can see, this is the source, this is the target, and this is the result. Very cool process. So you can run it on your own images and try it yourself. Let's look for another result out of these 6 images. Let's go to the results. Let's choose one of them. This, for example, the houses. These are the color houses. And let's see the source. This is the source image, the original image. And now let's look for the target images. So these colorful hats. And now you can see the full process. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You are most welcome to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.